Good morning. Hi friends. Welcome to your own Defense Leaders Academy YouTube channel. As you are aware, we have created this channel to mentor, train and guide youngsters like you to prepare for SSB interviews. So friends, ये हमारा चैनल बिल्कुल फ्री रहेगा. This will be based on collaborative learning. When I say collaborative learning, me and my colleagues would be training you on for SSB interviews, whereas I will invite you, the candidates who are preparing for SSB interviews, to come forward and make some videos so that whatever videos you will be making, it will be uploaded on our channel and you will be learning from each other's video. So this will be the approach we are going to follow. So gentlemen, in this channel, I would be inviting defense officers who have proved their leadership in the battle or otherwise, fighter pilots of Air Force, officers of Navy who have served on ship and submarine, and the Army officers who have fought the battle at various point of time. So they will come, share their experience, their knowledge about defense services, and I'm sure you would be immensely benefited from their experience. So coming Sunday, the first officer हमें join करने वाले हैं, who is going to share his journey in the defense forces is Group Captain Srivastava, who has been a fighter pilot with the Indian Air Force. So I'm sure you would love to hear him on the coming Sunday. The exact date and the time I would be sharing subsequently. So on coming Saturday or Sunday, I'm going to conduct the screening test which happens at SSB on the first day. It will be exact replica of what happens at SSB boards. So I want volunteers from you who want to be part of this process, which we will be following while conducting the screening test. In this, I'll be showing you a picture on which you would be writing a story, and then you will be narrating the story in a group, and thereafter you will be holding a group discussion on that story. All the instructions would be, I would be administrating this entire screening process. So if you are interested to join the screening process on Saturday, Sunday, then do comment and I'll be picking up some of you who will be part of the screening process. So friends, as I said in the beginning, this channel is based on collaborative learning. The more and more people we have, it would be good for all of us. As this is a free channel, I want you to share the link of the channel with your friends and all those who require guidance for SSB interviews. So with this, I close this video, and you can interact with me live on Wednesday at 8:30, wherein I will be covering the SSB interviews overview. With this, thank you very much for listening. Jai Hind.